the damage here is pretty serious. Well, that's one way to make a car drive itself. Simple tool makes it cool.
Bruh.
Yeah, I think she's on another planet now. Whoever trained you owes us an apology. At least he picked a good spot to sit.
Bit of a struggle.
Not the way, not today.
Like you just want to yank them or something.
Leave the heavy lifting to the machines. That's not a loss. That's a financial heartbreak. Lesson learned, that's how it's done. Cleaning? More like chaos with extra steps. Smooth enough to make the bartender jealous.
Oh my God! I love you! I love you!
Thing 2 or 3 times, world. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Yeah, that trick would not go well in my hands. Helped a lot, but fixed? Not.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she's coming out.
Mate.
Try Miss Mess.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Mixing work with a mini workout. Why not? And just like that, the day went from fine to oh no. It's a tough sport, but he's got to do it. The reason your delivery never runs late. A bad day just clocked in early. Are you prepared?
Deixa cair.
Two hands, one brain, zero hesitation. Ah, yes, the perfect start to a disaster movie. Hit like if you found that tower collapse impressive. Tiny mistake, legendary disaster. So much for an easy workday. When the tool doesn't work, use your brain. This is exactly why safety gear exists. The manual exists for a reason, buddy.
Hey, dat knopje daar aan de... Ja, dat knopje.
I didn't expect it, but it really worked. This time, nature claimed the win. It seems there was a mistake in the map. Not all danger walks in front of you. That's the moment the day took a bad turn. 1-2. 1-2. Their teamwork is spot on. That's the way the work should be done. Eyes on the task, not the distractions. He said, "Trust me." The chaos said, "Okay." The repair bill just went from bad to worse. They actually saved it, or itself gets saved.